Namaste. I really enjoyed this course. Earlier, 1 or 2 years back, I took another course with Shabdas and Dhatus, but that was quite fast paced, and it was very good, that one also. But really, this one I just it was advertised, I think, mostly for children, but I was curious, so I was so much attracted when ma'am said, take time and write. I said, oh wow, this is a very good thing, because she encourages us to write. And I liked her teaching very much. It was not a very fast pace, and she let us understand the words. Very good for beginners also. And so I, every time I try to log in, even on, if I was on the street or coming or going back to the coming from the office or going to the office. So I really enjoyed this course, and thank you so much, Vyoma, for conducting wonderful courses. And of course, thank you, ma'am, for taking time to teach us.
Yeah. Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.